Hey guys, it's Mir. Thank you for checking this out. I am shooting this live right now, but I will edit it later. Without further ado, shall we get into it? What I'm showing today is how I use a master default reply to run several demonstration bots and custom GPTs from my Chatbot Builder account, and I can host them on different websites. I can host them pretty much anywhere. So, kind of excited to show this. I've had a lot of questions about how I actually set it up because I had done a quick screen share yesterday. So now we're actually going to walk through it together, and you're going to see how I create a new custom GPT. I have a prompt ready to go that does local SEO for people, and let's see how it likes it. Let's see what it gives us. So, without any more waffling, we are here in my Chatbot Builder account. Oops, slightly bigger. Check that that's good. Yeah, looks pretty good. Okay. Yeah. Hopefully you guys can see that okay. Let me know, please. Check this. Okay, let me turn the phone. Yeah. Okay. Good. Facebook hasn't told anybody I'm live. Typical. We'll talk about that another day. So here I am within my Chatbot Builder account. These are my flows that I've all got going on, and this is my little repository. I'm trying to get more organized, guys. You get it. But this is my repository of where I store all my different demo bots that I'm working on. And so, ooh, Lexi tag hasn't been published. I don't know. Must have been working in her. Okay, back to my flows. Good. She's working. That's kind of important. We're going to see her work in a minute. So, this is my template that I have just created just for myself. It's a little easier. And these are, let's make it bigger. This is my welcome message. So, basically what happens is either they are given a link, or they find me and they find the bot, and they click through and they start with a welcome message. So that's where this all comes in. So it removes all the tags that I know I've used. So let's do that. Let's go Lexi. What other tags have I used? Yeah, thinking off the top of my head here, of course, right? Mom bot. My mom is actually a bot. Yeah, that's a whole other ballgame. But so okay, so we've got 3 right now, right? The one I'm doing today, I'm gonna go actually. So I publish to save this. Flows. We'll go to tags. We'll add a tag. So there's all the tags. There, see, there's all the tags I've used. Yeah, I need to add some more. But so this one is going to be local business SEO. So continue, and I now have wherever to put it in here. There it is. So now I have that tag. So back to flows, back to my demos. All right. Actually, I should have duplicated this. Since it's a template, I don't want to get out of there. All right. So that's the copy. Let's work on this one. I can change it up later. All right. So back to my tags. Now I'm going to add immediately, as soon as they hit the welcome message, for this chatbot, for this GPT, local business SEO. So we're going to add that tag immediately. Okay, this is huge. This is important. Then I'm going to go over here. I'm going to generate my welcome message. And you are the helpful assistant for the account name. You could say that so. So because we're doing a custom GPT, I'm going to go and grab. You are great users. Friendly manner. And ask if they are ready to create some posts for this. Looks better when I spell right. So we're going to save the field to a custom welcome message. No functions, it's just a simple generate text because it's the welcome message. It gets them tagged. Okay? So this comes in, publish. So now, let's get the published link. Web chat only. So just to make sure that things are cleared from the last time I used the bot. There we go. Hello, are you ready to create some posts for your business today? I'm here to help you with your local business SEO needs. Let's get started. Awesome. Now I don't have a default reply set up yet, so it's not going to do much for me. Oh, great. Ryan's watching. Yeah, thanks. Now I'm like, oh, nervous. No, I'm joking. I'm joking. Thanks, Ryan. Awesome. What do you need? And see? Now what's happened is because I don't have my default reply set up yet, right? It's actually bumped into LexiBot, which we don't want it to happen. And this is what was happening before, and this is why this whole procedure came about. So let's go have a look. All right, so that was good. We published. Perfect. Which again, just to be on the safe side. Back to flows. And I went 2-bar back, but that's okay. All right, so I have my welcome message. Excuse me. And now I'm going to create my default reply. Again, I'm going I am so like, just, I have to make sure that it's double done. It's double, yeah. I'm that kind of person. So we go in here, we add an action, add content. Oh, Wendy's on here. Okay, hang on. Thank you guys. I'm so glad you two are here because, thank you. So first of all, I'm going to remove tags again, just because I am that kind of person, right? This is, again, my default reply for this GPT. So we're going to remove BibleBot. We're going to remove MomBot, just to be safe. Just in case maybe they didn't come in through the welcome message, maybe they came in another way, maybe they found me and just clicked it. So I want to make sure that they're tagged and untagged, just to be, because you saw what happened. If it's not done, it's bumping into other GPTs. So, Lexi, there we go. And just to be crazy, because I'm that kind of person, small. Oh, doesn't like that. Oh, oops. Okay, small. Did you go small? I gotta be typing so cool. Yes. Okay. Nope. Weird. Okay, and then Lexi. Let's just do this. Lexi tags right there. Alright. Refresh. Hey, Pedro. Oh boy, everybody's coming on. Mayor's doing live. Woohoo. Alright, so we're headed back into actions. Come on, actions. Let's go. There we go. Headed back into actions. I don't know. Doesn't like that one, that's for sure. So actions. Now we're going to add the tag of small business. I gotta be doing this one wrong. Let's go back to flows. What did I not call it small business SEO? Okay, oh, that's way to go, Mayor. Local business. Yeah. Oh my god, you guys are wild. Hey, Jose, how are you, my friend? Um, yeah, so Mayor's having a moment here. Mayor's just having a moment because she can't remember her tags. Yep. Come on, open. Thank you. Let's get rid of small and let's go local. Oh my god. Yeah. Anyways, back on track here. So now I'm adding it again, okay? Just because that's the kind of person I am, and I want to make sure that that stuff is actually there, right? All right, so now we're going to change this to the start step. I'm gonna grab this puppet here and hook it up over here. Let's auto arrange these things so they're pretty. Okay, so I've removed all the tags that I currently use. I've added the tag in again because I'm that kind of weird person. You guys are wild. You guys are absolutely wild. I love you. I love you guys. You're the best. CBB is the best, guys. Talk about, you know, the absolute best community ever. Hopefully, I'm answering people's questions as we go here. All right. So this is now where I'm throwing my prompt in. So let's go get my prompt. This is my custom GPT. This is actually the prompt for one of my GPTs. I took it like right from here. And then we're going to pop it in here. So, and again, it's all about the prompting, right? So, you are a custom GPT. Your task is to create 30 social SEO optimized social media posts in English for a specified business. Each post telling it about itself. You must gather the following information. Business details. Before beginning, please gather. Okay, you must. And so it's gonna ask these things. It's gonna save it to the default reply. I'm gonna turn off my function. Continue. And I need to get a get user data and add that in here. Okay, send message. Get user data. Thanks, guys. Okay, get user data. Boom. That's right. See, guys, live is always so much fun. Live is so much fun. All right, so we're going to toss this in here. See, and this is the other thing I do. Okay, I fight with things, and then I'm like, okay, did this work? No. So then I go, okay, I'm trying something else. No, that's not the right one. Okay, so get user data. Please provide the following information. All right. What did I ask it to do over here? Probably doing this backwards, but hey. No, I'm probably doing this backwards. Hey, you didn't know we had a dark thing? I love dark. Dark is awesome. I can't even, it's sort of, yeah. I don't know why it's not showing on my photos right now. I don't know. Usually, yes, I usually have darken. Okay, so continue. I probably got this backwards. I'm almost positive I have this backwards, but that's okay. This is the great thing about CBB and building your own flows. You get to test them before you use them anywhere else. And now it's just sitting here and hanging. Okay. Thank you, Internet. Thank you. It might help if I said please provide the following information. And link chat. All right. I probably did this backwards, and I don't care. So all that is clearing out my cache of my bot, so it starts over. Yep. Oh, hang on. Okay. So let's see if this works. Business details are Charlie's Pizza Shop. Oh, see? You did something wrong. I know what I did wrong. Yeah, works better when you actually do things that you're supposed to do. Let's create a new custom field. Okay, business details. Business details. SEO posts. Continue. Skip. Save. All right. Publish again. Go over here and refresh. Again, this is just using my default reply. I still haven't finished the whole entire thing. Okay, this is just setting up the default reply. Charlie's Pizza in New York City. I did do it backwards, didn't I? Crap. Okay. So let's delete this. This is why I hate lives. It's okay. Alright. Let's try switching these around. Thanks, guys. I love lives. Just love them. Alright, so I'm going to refresh again. Let's see. I'm switching it backwards. Back again. Oh, it did do it. Oops. Okay, please provide the following details. Alright, so Charlie's Pizza. I think it's working. Let's go see what if we have any errors. Let's keep an eye on. So now I'm going to go check my error log. Why is it in Messenger? in Messenger. Okay, let's go check. Get rid of this. The pressure's what makes it fun. Yeah, you're funny. Oh my god, you guys. Okay, let's go check this out. What have I done? Chat. Chat. Publish that one. You guys, I've been building for like ever and I still have problems. So don't think that you run into a snag or something. Don't think that, generate text, you are a custom GPT. Yeah, okay. Chat. Send message. Chat. Okay. Let's just try this again. Yeah, and always check your error log. Always check your error log. It tells you a lot of things, your error log. Charlie. Shawarma. Let's try shawarma. Maybe that'll help. How the hell do I spell shawarma? There's a W in there. Boston. Let's try Boston. Maybe they'll find the cockies. Oh my god. I'm so weird. I'm so weird. Okay, let's go back here. Let's go flows. Error log. No, no error. So I'm doing something wrong. I'm definitely doing something wrong. Isn't this fun? This is fun. Oh, it didn't like the name. So no error, but it didn't like the name. Let's go back to Charlie's Pizza because I can't spell shawarma. Okay, let's not forget that I'm sitting in my default reply. I don't actually have my... Okay, let's go finish one more thing before I freak myself out thinking I'm doing something else wrong. So, the last little bit of this whole... Thanks, Keith. Thanks, guys. This will be posted after I edit out all the crap that just happened. Oh my god. Alright, so this is the huge part that I haven't done and I probably should have done already. So this is my master default reply. Alright, so I go in here and it checks this condition. Does this user match this? Does it match this? Does it match this? Check new condition. Does a user match? Tag is... And let's remember, it's local business SEO, not small business SEO. Because, I actually remembered that this time. Alright, so now there's my local SEO. And we're going to go, I'll just use this one and change this up. So it's going to be web chat and the flow actions, more options, start another flow, and we are going to go pick this one because that's the I really need to change the name of that. I will. Trust me, on naming, always name stuff so you remember what it is, like local SEO. All right, so we made it pretty. We made it pretty. So now I've got this new tag in here. So let's go. Refresh that just to be safe. I'm going to publish it just to be safe, because it's all about safety. You never want to see things like that. Why has that got that? Publish. Yeah, you don't want the big yellow dot. Big yellow dot, not good. Alright, and then we're going to go here and I'm going to show you this because, you know, I'm losing track of myself here. This is where I put, in my general, I put my master default reply with the big do not delete next to it because we're not going to talk about who deleted her master default reply before. Anyways, guys, so that's where I put this, okay? So, if you go to integrations, you'll see in my prompt engineering, I do not have auto GPT turned on. I haven't even started, like, I'm not even dealing with functions because they don't like me, even though it's function February. So I'm still learning some of the functions. I probably could run all of this with functions, but I like being safe. I'm safe right now. So eventually I will trust prompts. I will trust functions a little bit more. All right, so that's it. We're back now. Let's go to tools and entry point links. There we go. And I'm going to add a new entry point. To call this local business SEO. I can't spell today. SEO. And I'm going to pick my bot because it's in here somewhere. Yeah, this is why you name things where you can find them. Okay, we'll save that for a second. Save. Oh, look, there's my little button. Light mode, dark mode, light mode, dark mode. Okay, I am now losing my mind. Sorry, guys. Alright, teleport flows. Master default file. Let's rename this so it's easier to find. Okay, local business SEO default reply, do not delete. And then I do this wrong. I did this wrong. Shit. That's the one. This is why we name things, so that we don't forget what they mean. This is why. This is my welcome message. Don't worry. Rename things as you're doing them. Way easier. Way easier. Way easier to remember what you were doing if you rename it while you're doing it. Publish. Because, you know, this is why. Alright, so local business SEO welcome message. Master default reply, we fix that. And then this should be my default reply. There it is, with the tag being added, right? I will add something in a minute at the end of this, but I want this just to work. Would really like it just to work. All right, let's go back to this. Let's go down to tools. Where did you go? Entry point links. Where'd it go? Okay, apparently it didn't say. All right, so I'm gonna try this again. Go. Business SEO. And we're going to go to this one, and guess what? It's going to be a lot easier to find where I put that. Because, you know, I actually named it. Scrolling down. There's my welcome message. Wow! Amazing how that works, right? Alright, so local business SEO. I'm going to get the link. So web chat. Why it's doing omnichannel, I don't know. I'll deal with that later. Here, we're going to hit this. And LC equals 0. Clear the chat. Now, it should work. Oh my god. Oh, hang on. It's not what I wanted, guys. Why is it so slow today? No, I've completely done something wrong. Damn it. Now I've done something wrong. Alright, let's go fix this. This is not going to get the best of me. Post creator. Greet users in a friendly manner and ask if they are ready to come create their posts for their business. AI welcome message. No. Continue. AI welcome message. That's right. It's got to be the default reply. I'm kind of glad I am doing this live because if I wasn't doing this live, this wouldn't see the light of day. But here I am and I'm doing it live. Alright, let's do this as advanced. Let's get that on. Try this again. User message last input. Okay. Default. Don't want any functions. I want to go on the conversation and hit continue. Switch this back. Alright, let's try this again. Come on. On the third step, add a static word in front of the custom field. Okay. Let's try this. Okay. Okay. That makes sense, Ryan. Thanks. Okay. That makes a lot of sense. Thank you. Sorry, guys. So Ryan said to add a static word so I can tell where the response is coming from. It ain't coming from here. Okay. See, this is what can happen, guys. Don't think it can't happen to you, and don't freak out, right? You know what? Maybe we just won't do it like this. Okay. Send message. Let's go here. Add content. Text. Okay. Okay, so we got a button that says click me. And when this opens, we're going to start another flow. We're going to select the flow being AID flow. Make sure switch is starting to. Okay. Thanks, Ryan. Exactly. This is okay. Now, thank you for that. Otherwise, I've been sitting here figuring out what was like, you know, knocking my bot all over. Isn't AI great? Look at that! Yay! Are you ready to create some social posts? Click me. Clicked you. Oh my god. Oh, it's because it's not responding to my last text. Crap. I have last input selected. And I haven't inputted anything. Okay, I can fix that. Now I know what I have to do. There. Okay, so generate the text, but I can't put that there. Right. Okay. Let's add a step. Send message. Throw that up here for right now. Open it up. Add content. Text. No, actually, I don't need to do that, do I? Okay. Let's do this. Okay, so that needs to be there. That starts it, and then that goes there. Right. You ready, please? Yes, I am. Please provide the following information. Charlie's Pizza, New York City. Again, you can obviously add more information in, but okay. Yes, Wendy, exactly. All right, let's go check the. Okay, so that's out of place. There's. Of course, today is the day I decide that I'm going to do like a really fancy, GPT. Let's just not stick with like the normal stuff. So you, Ryan, you think it needs to go back this way? Because that was working, right? If it was easy, everyone would do it. Beautiful pineapple pizza. Hey, it wasn't invented by a Canadian, Wendy. Did you know that? It was invented by a freaking Canadian. Well, I sent it to the wrong thing. Way to go, man. Well, let's publish it. Let's go over here and preview it, because that would be safer. I'm fighting with it over here. Now I'm letting myself get all freaking like paranoid. Okay, so generate that by. Alright. Holy crap. Yeah. Wow. Alright. Let's try this again. No, it's not. Calm down there. It's okay. Tools. 2-point links. Get link. Channel. Oh, it's not a good thing. It needs to publish. Big yellow dot. Not a good thing. Big yellow dot. We don't like you. Big yellow dot. Oh, Ryan! This may work. This may work. Charlie's Pizza, New York City. Oh my god, it works! Yes! 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 Oh. See, guys? And it just like went back. I don't know why. I must have hit something. It's okay. That's okay. Welcome to Doing Things Live. They're always fun. Okay. Now that we finally got it to work, thank you, Ryan. Thank you, Wendy. Thank you, everybody from the community for your support, because you guys rock. This is the really cool thing. This is really cool. So, we're going to go over here. There's already an entire thing. I'm going to add. There's my embed. Boom. So I'm going to add a new embed. It's going to be an iframe. No, it's just a code. Sorry, my bad. And the label is local SEO. Style is inline. Here's the code. This is really, really cool. All right, so we're going to go and make sure that's published. I'm going to go back here to flows. All right, first of all, I'm going to go grab this. Thank you again from Ryan. And we're going to grab this. This, and we're going to go throw it into the embed code. And then I'm going to scroll all the way down here, and I'm going to change that to over here for Smart Function. Tools, entry point links. Yeah, it was a lot of text. I know. I'm kind of like, of course, I'm like, yeah, you know, I'm going to do a big one. I'm going to do a big one. I can't do something simple. That would be too easy. Note, doing lives, do simple. Get the link, web chat, and then throw that in here. Right there, in between my little things. Boop. And done. And publish. And let's go look at the site. How cool, guys, how cool is this? Okay, something's doubling up on. That's fine. We'll deal with that in a minute. Ready to click. Yes, it does feel fun. Thank you for the pineapple dance. So, anyways, this is the site, and it's just not showing properly right now. I can fix that. But this is where I can actually, I'm starting to list all my GPTs. Thanks to Ryan, they look like they're in an iPhone, which is wicked cool. And I probably shouldn't have grabbed that link, but I'll deal with that in a minute. So yeah, guys, all of that for this is how I set up my custom GPTs and my tags and my conditions so that they work properly. And then, you know, you go live and you do like a crazy, like really complicated one because that's just way more fun. Anyways, I hope this was helpful. I am going to edit the crap out of this. Oh my god. But I leave it up here on this channel completely like the way it is. So if you have questions, drop them in the chat. You know, message me if you'd like, whatever. I really hope that this was helpful and that you guys got to see that crap happens to all of us and we just, you know, we'll just keep going and doing it live is just so much fun. Well, things aren't working. And you can screw yourself up too. That's another one. So thank you everybody for showing up, and you guys are awesome. I love this community. I cannot tell you how much I do. And thank you for everybody, for all your help, all your support, all your back, all you have in my back. Here we go. And this is just the first of many videos. All right, guys. Peace out.